son say you had a knife today?
Who? Did he call you?
Yes, obviously we're here for a reason because your son called us.
No, I was cooking, so he had my phone. He took my phone from me. So I'm standing over there, like I didn't go with my knife to harm him. I was in the kitchen trying to eat something. Okay. So I walked. He's like, "Oh, don't come over here with a knife." I said, "I'm not coming for you in the knife. If I wanted to harm him with a knife, I would have came out with the knife." I did. I put the knife in the kitchen. I went back to the door stand. There was nothing. Knocking.
So Samson, that's why we're here today, because he was scared and he called us. So we're just here to make sure he's okay.
If he's scared, he'll be scared of this man, the white man, than me. I'm his mother. I carried him 6 months. I'm the one who was scared of them. I'm not scared of you. I'm scared of them. They harmed my child and left them in pain for 10 hours.
He called us here. He didn't call you.
We're here to make sure your son's okay, okay?
My son is fine. You need to get this shit off. You can't lie about me and charge me.
And based on the information we have, that's why you're being detained.
So that way we can send that to my friends and families.
Can I say something?
Yeah, what's up?
She's not really harmful.
Earlier
he was beating, like he was pushing her. That's
why don't put him in trouble. Nothing. He didn't push me. That's my son. There's nothing going on.
Well, she doesn't want me to say anything. I wanted to call the police, but she said she didn't want to, and now he's calling the police on his mom when she didn't want to call the police.
Right, we're looking into it. We're going to talk to everyone involved.
No, I think I think they're giving him drugs.
I think we'll connect ourselves
with other races that do drugs. No. That don't know culture and tradition.
He's the one who called the police on you.
Drugs and harm.
Well, why he hurt you?
I don't like the friends he's with.
How protect Garanesa?
How protect Garana? Because a white man harmed him, and they're looking for big, black, sizable. You remember George Floyd? Look who didn't take what the white man said he was a sizable. We're scared of them.
runta u sheeg booliiska waxaa really dhacay wax xun ma ku sameynayaan because haddii la dhihin xer ma iska xiri karo
qaar dadkaan anoo jikada ku jira ninkaan igu xiran qaar abay ugu dira ka waran
adaa isku keentay whose fault is that? That's you need to do something about that.
We're taking him to our homeland Africa because we need guidance, not abused and enslaved, modern day slavery.
Well, miska kaxeen ka daadan booliiska
we're leaving next week. We're leaving their land. We're getting family. We're leaving your land. Please, we're having family argument. Let us go. If you don't, I don't want no problem with you.
Well, the problem becomes when you grab a knife. And
I was cooking, so you know how you talk. Like, no. Okay, you know. Okay, when you talk and you're in the kitchen, he took my phone.
Hitting the door.
Okay, my son took my phone, sir. Okay, I just don't go. I was cooking. I was trying to eat. I was cleaning or something in the kitchen. I said, "Carly, give me my key, my phone." And my car key because I'm trying to stop him from going to a school where he made bad friends. He comes home late and I don't trust it. So it's the argument of you can't go and he's trying to oppress my authority and he's bigger than me. He pushes me. So it's hard for me to get that, so. Right now, nothing happened. I was in the kitchen. He has my phone. We play around sometimes. He keeps my phone. So while I was in the kitchen carrying utensils, I went to Kali, give me my phone. I said, "Don't come over here with that knife." And I left. I didn't have a knife on him. Why would I harm my child with a knife?
I didn't say you harmed him.
Why would I even have anybody with a knife?
You just said you had a knife.
Because he said, "I'll call the cops if you don't leave my door." I told him I'll call the cops, so he probably did it to me. I came out, he locked me. I went knocking on my friends. You hear me? My son is going through it, sir. We're both stressed and scared of racism out here. It's been happening to us a lot. Even my child, a white man harmed him after he raped me and raped my child and the 1-year-old. So, sir, we're leaving your land, going to Jamaica, to our African land. So please take your stuff, let me go home so we can call our family. They can come in between us and work our issues as a family.
Lincoln Line is our best choice tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you diagnosed with anything by chance?
No, I'm not going nowhere, so you're not always going to come here and take me to jail. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it. You're trying to take me somewhere.
We're not taking you to jail.
We just want to make sure you're okay. Your behavior is very unusual and erratic right now.
Sir, I'm going through it. I don't have no job. I have a teenage black kid. I'm trying to leave out of here, not to be killed or harmed by any racist person. I'm done giving it. I'm going home. And we only have a week or less to go because we got help for our families. And they say we can get you out of there. Now, please don't do this on our last minute leaving your land.
And like I told you, we're here for a reason because your son called us. We're worried about
my son.
You and him, okay?
We're
trying to make sure everyone's okay.
Sir, we are fine. Thank you for your concern. It's It's a lot. It's stressful. We get attacked. Today I got attacked in this hallway by teenage white kids. He has problem getting attacked. Oh, this neighbor, the white lady, attacked. This is too much, too much. And when I tell my son, don't go out there, don't speak to these people, he says, he goes gone. It was today's argument. He met a girlfriend, you know, this little girlfriend. So he's not listening to me. He's having a hard time of differentiating the mom love and the girlfriend. So everything he wants to do for the girlfriend. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Teenage. But anyways, I got family and friends that can help me in that issue, so you didn't have to come here. I would have to talk to him and have my family speak to him and make him understand you don't call police lightly like that.
Well, I don't think he did call us lightly. I think he didn't want to, but your behavior concerned him enough that he thought he needed to.
No. My son is really mad right now, and he's doing things.
He was very calm in there.
Huh?
He's very calm in there.
And he was talking to me through the door. He's very calm in the where?
In the apartment. I just was in there talking to him. He's very calm. He's not the one that has a problem tonight. But he said when you're threatening him with a knife.
I never threatened my son. You, white man, harmed my child. Your race, he was break his leg. We're going. I did harm my child. Don't accuse me. I'll never hurt.
I didn't say you hurt
This
him.
this is so tight, sir. Can you please? I think it's harming my arm right now.
Handcuffs are gonna stay on.
No, they do, but it's really tight. He made it really tight. I can't squeeze my hand.
Okay, we can check the
Okay,
tightness of the cuffs, but we're not taking them off.
Can you loosen it up?
She's not gonna attack anyone. You're standing right there.
I attack my child, sir.
Stand up.
Hold on.
Come on. Face the wall.
I'll listen to him in just a tad bit here, but
About Kawanan. Why am I on handicap? Why
Yeah,
don't
quit
you
moving
take it
around,
out?
Sylvia.
This is crazy.
ما حد عاد أنا.
No, I buy a girlfriend. I'm calling the family. He doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go out of the country. And
saas hadhiin dadkaana way ku maqlaan saas ma la ogola xoog qof ma ku kaxayn kartida.
To leave every job they're kicking us out. You gotta have a principal and stand them when they don't want you to leave their land. You say bye-bye. So human rights thing. Do what you want us to do and leave your land. You're not gonna keep this thing like this. Khalid! Hello!
Are you gonna have a seat again?
Abay, how you get taken? Abay, how do you order? That's my cousin. Can she go talk to him?
Who?
That lady. Abay, Ushak, Banta, then Ben
You
Ushak.
just said this was your neighbor. Why
My
didn't you-
neighbor, my cousin, she's Somali. I'm Somali. She's my cousin.
Well, that's fine, but like,
She's my distance cousin. We're
Okay.
families.
We are tight neighbors, okay? We are neighbors, so what do you
Okay,
mean?
I guess we're all related at some point. in
No,
history.
that's my cousin.
Okay.
Because
but-
we're black, honey.
But no, she's not involved right now, so she's not becoming involved.
She needs to go
she's-
come myself. Abayo.
She's
No
welcome,
record
she's
delay. You
welcome
think
to
the
stay over
justice
there.
is only for you?
She's welcome to
Well,
observe.
ask him if he wants to talk to me. Why don't you ask him?
When we leave, you're more than welcome to talk to him
Where
if
you
you want.
going? Where you taking me?
I'm not taking you anywhere.
What is it? What do you mean you're not taking me anywhere? Khalid.
Waryaa hooyadaada waa la qaxaysanooyaa xoolaa tahay. Hooyadaa ma daawanaa la qaxaysanaayo.
How can I say? Who promote me though?
yeah, sounds like she's we've been here before and
I was gonna say, I've been here for her before.
Maxaa jira maxaa waaye waxaas?
Guys, hadda kan igu xiraya ambulance isbitaalka lagu xiraya.
Is she sick? What's
I'm
going
not
on?
sick. I'm not. Where am I
What is
going?
that for?
She's going to the
Be
hospital.
evaluated.
For what?
That's what's
Mental
happening.
health.
He'll explain it to you.
Mental health?
Because you don't like me,
Yes.
so.
It's okay. Your first name's Sam, right?
Ma'am, I need a lawyer. I'm not going with. Oh, can we have a black person? I need a black dog. I need a black cop.
Let's stop, okay? Let's
No,
stop.
I need somebody my skin tone. I don't feel safe with you. Sir, I don't feel safe with you. I need a
Sam.
black cop to help me. I can't talk to you. I don't
Sam,
trust
Sam.
you. I don't. Oh no!
I'm not an officer. He's not an officer. If they step away and we have a conversation, just
Are you gonna tie me in the bed and do what?
I didn't say anything about
So why
trying
is that
to do
bad here?
Because you were here. I was not here for the initial call, but it sounds like there is concerns about your safety, your son's safety.
My son and I be safe. We lived here 10 years. It's a little argument that happened, and accident people can call cops. You don't have to handcuff me and take me. You did.